Oh my god.
It's hailing.
Okay, if you need your papers.
Oh, it is hail.
Shoes. Jeez.
Okay.
And then it just stopped.
Yeah.
That's just crazy.
Okay.
Oh my god.
And now it's going again.
Don't you love this Washington weather?
Washington weather is
Call
like
Amari. Amari,
What did you say? What? What did you say? I'm actually getting kind of scared right now, guys.
Oh my god. That's hail. Oh my god. What is going on?
Water level rising.
This is climate change for sure. Like these people are just, there's a guy like walking.
Right?
Why is he walking? Well, his name is Walker. Oh my god. It's gonna flood.
Bro, just wait an hour and it'll be sunny out. No, in 2 minutes it's gonna be sunny. Are you vlogging right now?
Yeah. I've done a video like in band, like I recorded ourselves playing Temple Stone too. What?
What? I wasn't.
I'm not getting you in the video.
Me? I don't know.
Look at him run.
Okay, ready? You guys, right in the rain. Oh my god, like,
And now it's
oh my goodness. Like, you guys see that? And then just like the water from that is just causing it to flood. I would be surprised. This is climate change for sure. Hey, if you guys haven't taken a shower yet, now's your chance.
Don't worry, I take showers on the daily. Are you organizing those?